Hey guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. Oh, I've got something so exciting. MOITIE Cosmetics just sent this to me. Actually, it's been over 2 months they sent this package to me. These lashes are so amazing. They are 10-day lashes. The glue is so adhesive, um, so sticky. It is an awesome glue. I'm going to take you through the whole tutorial, and that's me enjoying the real thick lashes. The wind was blowing through my hair. I was having such a good time. My husband and I just went downtown and drove, and these lashes were on so good. These lashes are amazing. And I am a makeup artist, you all know that, and I like to wash my face, and I take my lashes off at night, and I did with these as well. But you have to be careful because they will tug at your lashes, so you just be careful with that. But just let's get into it. So this is the demo part right here, and again, this is the box of the MOITIE, and I think I'm saying it right, MOITIE Cosmetics, and the lashes that were sent to me. So box of so many goodies, and I'm going to show you the things that was sent in this box. So they sent like a mirror which lights up. They sent it in black, and I also have it in pink. As you can see, such a cute little mirror. And there's the one in pink, and the little satchel there, and of course the tweezers. I don't really work with tweezers a lot, but for girls that do, these tweezers are amazing. Really love it. I'll show you how I apply them with the tweezers, and then how I usually apply my lashes with my fingers. And then this is a glue that is black, and it's very sticky, and I'll have to show you in a video.
I just have to show this. So I've been washing my hands quite a few times today after putting this line on for the video. And I just want to show, if I could just hold this camera up right. Okay. So I'm about to put some soap on and try to get this off. Not happening. So let me try with the rag. Okay, the rag is taking it off. Wow.
And the clear glue that you can just put right over, you just kind of draw it on. It's a pin. And then they also did a black glue, and I'll show you again how precise. And so you just kind of draw a liner on. So if you know how to draw a liner, you can put these lashes on. So these are some of the lashes that they sent. They sent 3 different packs, natural to very thick. That when I'm in the car kind of dancing, those are the lashes that I had on. These are my absolute favorite. And then these, so you can get really natural or pretty dramatic. So these are really pretty. These are the ones that I want to apply. That's why I'm showing them a little bit closer. And yes, they are individualized, so I'm going to show you. Now look at this. Look at how this is glue, guys, just glides on. However, I did extend it a little more for the cat eye, and then I'm showing you how I just kind of go right in with my tweezers, and of course I always have to use my finger. What's really good about these lashes is as you're applying them, if you see an error, you can kind of pull them right off and stick them right back onto the glue. The glue stays so tacky, and that's what you want with a glue. Like, I use Duo all the time. You all know what Duo glue is, and I have to wait for it to get tacky. Like, you have to blow the lash. This glue comes on tacky, if that makes sense. It is not super liquidy. It comes on tacky. I don't know how to explain it. You just have to just buy the glue. I would not steer you wrong. It is amazing. I will also say this about the glue. So I had some lashes on actually the other day from MOITIE Cosmetics. No, they were not MOITIE Cosmetics lashes, but I did use the glue. And the lash started lifting. Do you know I was able... Now, I had put the lashes on hours before. I was able to push that lash back into place because it was almost like the glue is still sticky, but it's not a mess. Like, this glue is revolutionary to me. I absolutely love it. And I just can't explain it. I know that I'll definitely keep purchasing the glue. So amazing. So I kind of wanted you to see up close. This is how it looks. The lash, you see the glue kind of, I drew it up a little too high on the one eye, but just wanted to just demo that for you guys and kind of just show you this. Make sure you go online, do the research on your own. Love these lashes. They stay even when the wind is blowing, like super strong. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to kind of take you through that. Yeah, I thought I was doing something. I had put my U-part wig on later on, as you can see with my hat, and I was loving it. So see you all in the next one.